बुने हमने ये रिश्ते हैं।
Hi, welcome to
Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to Rotaract Club Linkdown Aerolee's 4th installation ceremony, continuing this year's trend of exuberant and new first evers. We bring you all to the first ever virtual installation ceremony of Rotaract Club of Linkdown Aerolee.
Installation is all about new opportunities, new relationship, and it marks the beginning of creating a community which we come to know as our second home.
Now to start with, I would like to thank each and every one of you for your virtual presence with us today.
We are very pleased to have you all with us. We will be hosting today on this wonderful platform with some special guidance from our favorite childhood companions. I am Rotaractor Neetu Koranga.
And I am Rotaractor Chetan Bagde, your host for today.
Now I request Rotaractor Prathamesh Matre, the stand-in Sergeant at Arms, to proceed with the SA announcement.
Good evening everyone, I'm Rotaractor Prathamesh Matre. I'd like to ask you to please make sure that your Zoom audio is muted, and also please refrain from using any profane language in the YouTube comment section. Thank you.
I request him to adorn the collar on Rotaractor Shravan Nair, President 1920 of Rotaract Club of Linkdown Aerolee.
I would like to call 4th installation ceremony to order.
Now I request you all to please stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय है जय है जय है जय 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 है।
Now let us all take a delightful trip down memory lane and meet our childhood companions. मैं चाहूँ दिल से मैं ये चाहूँ कार्टून के संग मिलकर दूर देश चला जाऊँ.
Let us call upon Rotaractor Omkar Joshi to present the Secretariat report for the year Rotaract year 2019-20.
But where is he? We can't find him.
Wait, I know who can let us know. Let's ask Oswald if he can help us find our friend. After all, Oswald is the wise one.
Oswald!
Don't worry, I will take you to Omkar.
Good evening everyone, myself Rotaractor Omkar Joshi, Secretary 2019-20, here to present the Secretariat Report 2019-20. Club membership, total 60 members registered on Pranali. Meetings, 19 general body meetings conducted, 8 board of director meetings conducted and 4 joint meetings conducted, making it a grand total of 31 meetings conducted. Total ambassadorial reports 53. 83 project reports reported on Pranali, in which club service, the following projects were conducted: dinner party, pizza party, dinner party 2.0, Rangilo Taro, Darshan, Secret Santa, High Tea, Mike Riot, Blinded Love, Zonal Freshers. Dare to Do It, World Road Track Week, and the last but not the least, third installation ceremony of Rotaract Club of Linktown Airoli. Moving ahead, community service, we conducted a total of 7 projects. They were Period of Sharing, Milap, Relief for Maharashtra, Atmaranjan 2.0, Dog Feeding Drive, Thane COVID Relief, and finally Dog Feeding Drive 2.0. IST. Total projects conducted 9. They were Kavya, The Unspoken Words, Hogathon, International Autism Awareness Day, International Schizophrenia Day, International Biological Diversity Day, World Theatre Day, Pick a Tale, Let's Talk, Laughter Bouts, and last but not the least, Sankalp Taru. Professional development. We conducted a total of 10 projects: Hastakala, Photoshop training workshop, embroidery workshop, lyrical dance workshop, creative desk, style it up, tie and dye, hairstyling workshop, Yog Sadhana, and graphology seminar. Entrepreneurship development avenue. We conducted the following 7 projects in this avenue: chocolate making workshop, colorful pamper makeup workshop, shake and twist with Zumba fitness, print my tea, the t-shirt painting workshop, e-talks, myths and facts about startups, and guess the entrepreneur. Moving on to sports, we conducted 6 projects. They were Strikes and Spares, Win the Queen, Box Cricket Mania, Lagera Hologori, Looking for Mates, and Smash. Moving on to the support avenues, in PR and marketing, we conducted 4 projects. They were Pad Se Headshot PUBG Tournament, Mr. and Miss Kalakar 2019, Squeeze the Lemon Challenge, and Spotlight 2.0. In digital communications, we conducted a total of 6 projects, which were Be Safe This Monsoon, Action Replay, National Sports Day Quiz, Remembering the Legacy of Sushma Swaraj, Brahm, Quick Glimpse of Indian History. Moving ahead, in editorial, we conducted 2-line stories, poem writing competition, creative writing prompts, and Adhuri Baatein. In Partners of Service Avenue, we conducted a total of 8 projects: tree plantation at SDV Junior College, student and teacher felicitation ceremony, COLS training session, Project Positive Health, self-defense training workshop, Airoli Women's Cricket League, International Women's Day celebration and Vocational Excellence Awards, and Kojagiri in the House. In the HRD Avenue, we conducted 8 projects. They were Take a Brain Break, AYLP, Achieve Your Leadership Potential, Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes, 7 Days Challenge, Skills and Thrills, Women's Day Grid, Rock Rotaract, and The Anonymous. With this, we conclude the Secretariat report for 2019-20. Thank you.
Thank you, Omkar. Now it's time to look back at the memories of the last year.
everyone. This is the pickup board. I would like to welcome our beloved ZRR's 2019-20 Rotractor Preeti Bhogle and Rotractor Vishal Shah, and we request them to share a few words with us.
हाँ बोला. So अभी start करूँ. Okay. Hello everyone. So yeah, Rotractor Vishal Shah, now the president of Rotaract Club of Smart City. First time बोल रहा हूँ बहुत proudly. So yeah. Next, firstly congratulations Shravan. काफी one of the best presidents we had in Zone 1. तूने बहुत अच्छा किया. हम लोगों को कभी तेरे साइड से complaint नहीं आया. You are always supportive towards us, and to be honest, I guess कुछ भी help चाहिए रहता था हम लोग को. We knew कि Linktown है तो सब अच्छा ही होगा. So thank you so much Shravan for giving us all the support throughout the year for all our zonal activities. Coming to my favorite peoples of Linktown Airoli, Rotractor Prathamesh Mhatre. He's a gem of a Rotractor. कितना talented है उसने बता दिया रेड में सबको. Coming to my second favorite, Rotractor Omkar Joshi. I guess the best fashion walk अगर किसका था अगर रेड में तो it was Rotractor Omkar. Thank you Omkar for helping us out during Red Bash, and क्या कुछ नहीं बहुत कुछ help किया है. Also would like to mention Rotractor Divya Agrawal. उसने भी बहुत help किया हम लोग को zonal activities पे during zonal year में, and she is helping us right now also. Club में मेरे को अगर mock installation के लिए कुछ चाहिए रहता था, she was helping me out with all the Zoom IDs and technicals which I needed. So thank you so much Rotaract Club of Linktown Airoli for helping the zone and helping the people around Rotaract. So yeah. Done. बोल दिया.
Hi guys, I'm Rotractor Dr. Preeti Bhogle, ZRR for the year 1920, now the IP ZRR. You know, Linktown के बारे में कभी भी कुछ बोलना हो, I'm always at a lack of words, and I feel it's because they are not just a club to me. More than that, they are like a family whom I can always count on. And I don't mean this just in my Rotaract life, but in my personal life as well. I have some really great friends there, and I think I'm always going to be grateful for that. Coming to Shravan, you know, Shravan के साथ कभी ऐसा ZRR president वाला formal relationship था ही नहीं. It was always a friend, and I've known him for 2 years now, and मैं उसके बारे में बिना गाली दिए बात ही नहीं कर सकती. But since it's an official installation, Shravan, I just want to say that I'm really, really very proud of you. I know how we were at the beginning of the year and how you successfully managed to stand here, and the entire club time and again you all have shown that you all are the best at what you do. I mean, this very installation is like a proof of that. So keep going, keep growing, and I'll always be here for you. Shravan, teri cheeti tere liye hamesha rahegi. So all the best to you, all the best Omkar. I know you're going to rock it. Keep going. Thank you.
Now I'll call upon Rotractor Shravan Nair. पर ये गायब कहाँ हो गया?
Maybe this envelope given by Winnie would help us find him.
Who could this be?
This does remind me of our Pokemon League champion Ash.
Oh, but where is he?
Ash, are you there?
Hey Ash, do you know where is Shravan?
अरे सॉरी, मुझे लगा ये तो पोकेमॉन है. मैं अभी तुम्हें तुम्हारा फ्रेंड वापस करता हूँ.
Good evening everyone. Exactly a year ago, I stood here to thank you all for trusting me to take the presidency of this club. And here I am now expressing my gratitude to all of you for making this year so special. All the big efforts, dedication, belief and contribution in achieving what we have and what we had always aspired for. Everyone in the club had made an effect in their own way to achieve what we are now. We might have had disagreements and arguments. Having heard all the opinions, I am sure all this pushed the work and contributed to the club's achievements. I would like to thank everyone who all stood by me this year. I would like to thank all the GBMs for being active and being there whenever we needed some help. A very big thank you to all the board of directors who have worked so hard to give some really good projects this year. Special mention to our Rotary. The support this year shown by them was out of the world, from calling for every event to coming and helping us with the events. President Rotarian Rashmi Gupta Aunty and Secretary and the President-elect Vinaya Hebbar Aunty and the entire team of Rotary Club of Linktown Airoli, thank you for always treating us like their own children and being there every time, and also for collaborating in majority of the projects. I would also like to thank our BCM, Rotractor Vijay Kumawat, ZRR/favorite Preeti and Vishal for always supporting the club. Thank you, my buddy President Kopal, for all the support. Next would be my friends apart from Rotract. Though I have a very small circle of friends, but they have always been there no matter what, and always have understood whenever I was low. Shivani, Rahul, Sarab, Himani Didi, Sagar, thank you all for existing and being there whenever I needed you. I surely give you guys more time after this. Coming to the most important people this club has given me, that is my core team. Without them, this year from the very beginning would have been unimaginable. Sticking by me throughout, and most importantly, the respect these guys have given me is immense. I wasn't here for 6 to 7 months, and even though I managed to be here every month for the meetings, these guys never complained and have always supported me in whatever I was doing. Also the parents have been so supportive this year for always allowing these guys to go anywhere and anytime. Thank you all the core members, Neetu, Nisarg, Bhargav, Prathamesh, Divya, Shraddha and Omkar. You guys have my heart. I love you guys. Next would be my parents and my brother. Like, I do not have words to say. Starting from the installation till today, these guys have been my pillars of strength. From being there for me to being there for the whole club even before I stood for them was very much special. Also, thank you my brother Rotractor Shreyas Nair for sponsoring the platinum package. I might have missed out on some people, but I would like to thank them wherever you guys are, even if we are not in touch, and still you guys have helped me in any way. I love you all. This club will always be special for me, and no matter what, I'll always be there for the club. All the best to Omkar and his team. I know you guys are gonna rock this year. A huge thank you to each and everyone who stood by the club in its bad times till today. Thank you. And now I, Rotractor Shravan Nair, President of Rotary Club of Linktown Airoli, signing off for the one last time. Thank you.
Thank you, Shravan, for these generous words. It was great experience working with you throughout the year, and we want you to provide us with your invaluable support in the future. And the entire team wishes you all the very best for your future endeavors. Now the time has come to honor the treasure of RCLTA.
And this honor is given to our special friend, Mr. Bean.
गुड इव्हनिंग एव्हरीबडी. थँक्यू रोट्रॅक्ट. आज तुम्ही मला ही संधी दिली की मी ओंकारला सगळ्यांसमोर इंट्रोड्यूस करू शकेन. ओंकार खूप गुणी, शांत, प्रेमळ मुलगा आहे. अजून एवढा मोठा झाल्यानंतर सुद्धा झोपेतून जागा झाल्यानंतर पहिला आवाज असतो आई. आई अर्थात मी म्हणजे त्याचं संपूर्ण जग आहे, आणि माझ्यासाठी तू. आम्ही दोघं एकमेकांचे खूप चांगले फ्रेंड्स आहोत. अर्थात मला एक शत्रू पण आहे, तो म्हणजे त्याचा कम्प्युटर. कदाचित त्या कम्प्युटरमधून त्याचे मित्र त्याला भेटत असतील, म्हणून तो त्यात जास्त रमत असेल. ओंकार लहानपणापासूनच खूप क्युरियस, खूप जिज्ञासू होता. त्याला वाचनाची प्रचंड आवड. लहानपणापासून जसा छंदच होता त्याचा पुस्तकं जमवणे. त्याच्याकडे एक पुस्तक होतं, आस्क मी एनिथिंग, आणि त्या पुस्तकावरून डॅडी त्याला चिडवायचे की ओंकार नोज एव्हरीथिंग. ओंकार शाळेत काय कॉलेजमध्ये सुद्धा सगळ्याच टीचरचा लाडका. फक्त त्याच्या अकॅडमिक प्रोग्रेसमुळे नाही, तर त्याचा सगळ्याच कॉम्पिटिशनमध्ये असलेला त्याचा सहभाग. शाळेच्या ऑलिम्पियाडमध्ये प्रत्येक वर्षी शाळेला दुसऱ्या स्टेजला रिप्रेझेंट करणारा तो एकमेव विद्यार्थी असेल कदाचित. ओंकार तसा लहानपणापासूनच गुटगुटीत बाळसेदार, पण ह्या गुटगुटीत बाळसेदार शरीरानेच त्यांनी शाळेला व्हॉलीबॉल, हॉकी या टीममध्ये रिप्रेझेंट केलं होतं. तुमचा कदाचित विश्वास नाही बसणार, पण ओमकार ब्लॅक बेल्ट होल्डर आहे. ओमकार तसा शांत, पण रोटरॅक्ट जॉईन केल्यापासून माणसांना भेटायचं, त्यांच्याशी बोलायचं, त्यांना एकत्र घेऊन कोणतंही काम ध्यास घेऊन पूर्ण करायचं, हे त्याच्यातले गुण मला वाढीला लागल्यासारखे वाटतात. टीमवर्क, लीडरशिप, टाईम मॅनेजमेंट ही स्किल आता त्याच्यात डेव्हलप व्हायला लागली आहे. मला खात्री आहे तुम्ही त्याच्यावर सोपवलेली ही प्रेसिडेंटशिपची जबाबदारी तो पूर्ण पद्धतीने, चांगल्या पद्धतीने निभावेल. त्याच्या या पुढच्या प्रवासासाठी माझ्याकडून त्याला अनेक उत्तम आशीर्वाद. ऑल दी बेस्ट म्हणू.
Omkar, it's a pleasure to have you as a president, and over the past few years we have made some pretty amazing memories, and obviously we'll continue to make more. I would never forget the time when I learned that people could actually teleport from one place to another. Crazy time, man. I hope you have a great time ahead, and best of luck for your presidency.
Okay, so like I and Omkar started playing Dota when we were in 7th standard. Like we used to play hours and hours with each other with a 5-man team. We took part in various tournaments, but we never won any of such. But we see each other while playing, well, that made so many memories of us. We used to give names to each other, but the one name which would be remembered by us would be Rick.
Many people know Omkar since school time, but I actually got familiar to him at college. It's just been 2 years and now I have a new small family. Whenever anyone needs help, he's the one who is always there. To all those night outs and to all those bike rides where someone or the other usually gets fueled out. Thanks for all these memories, Omkar, and congratulations to your victory. Thank you.
Omkar, we have known each other for so long, and honestly speaking, you have been a great friend to me. I especially like how even after being somewhat out of touch for 2 years, we've been able to catch up again, and it feels like the old times back again. I firmly believe that you're going to be a great president, and good luck for everything.
I believe everyone has known Omkar for a really long time. For me, he was a body title winner at a high school farewell, and here we stand today. He is getting elected as the president of RCLTA. A long journey, a well-deserved one, I must say. Well, thank you, Omkar, for everything you've done for us. Here's a short video made by our little squad for you. I hope you like it.
I guess I'm just a play date to you.
Yeah.
Action. Good evening, everyone. I hope you are doing well. I hope you are healthy, and most importantly, I hope you all are happy. Starting as a GBM in the year 2018-19, my journey with the club has been a mind-blowing experience. I've gained so much from the last year, starting from being appointed as the vice president of the club and then secretary in the same year. I would like to thank all of you for believing in me and always being there for me and understanding me. I never imagined that I would be giving my acceptance speech in front of a screen while the entire world is in such a unique challenge. But trust me, I have never been more keen on listening to new ideas and suggestions from our members, who always amaze me by coming up with creative solutions to the most pressing problems faced by us. I really appreciate it, and I'll do my best to lead us into another productive year. Speaking of uniqueness and productivity, I would like to share with you all the key responsibility areas for the year 2020-21, which will be sustainability and branding. I look forward to this year, and I hope it brings the best out of all of us. Hereby, I accept the presidency of Rotaract Club of Linktown Airoli. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Fiery, the friendly red monster. With the honorable presence and good wishes from our chief guest, DRR Rotarian Rotractor Amit Lad and guest of honor Rotarian Mrs. Vinaya Hebbar ma'am, I would like to present the year theme 2020-21 to you all. Best way to train yourself to think differently is by changing your behavior. Do hard things and keep doing them even when you think you can't. You'll prove it to yourself that you're stronger than you think. Our theme highlights on how the club and its projects will focus on each member and make sure that throughout the year every member shows steady and significant growth. The biggest target set by us is to nurture the new members, inculcate the Rotrack movement in them, and to make a team of strong leaders for years to come. Hereby, I present the year theme 2020-21, followed by the release of our new club logo and club merchandise.
Now the president will announce the core and BOD team for the year 2021.
Hello everyone, it's the pickup bot again. This time we are joined by our beloved ZRRs 2020-21 Rotractor Tanmay Deshpande and Rotractor Kashib Mirza. I request them to share some insightful words with us.
Hello everyone, this is Rotractor Kashif Mirza, ZRR Zone 1 for the year 2021. First of all, I would like to say amazing work, guys. I'm still in the loop कि ये क्या चल रहा है. I can't figure it out myself कि मैं किधर बोल रहा हूँ, किधर क्या चल रहा है. I can see people over here partying on the call. लोग पिज्जा खा रहे, लोग बात कर रहे, they're cheering out, and out there's a video going on. So on point execution, wonderful concept. Shravan, एक बात बोलनी पड़ेगी. Omkar has already started doing wonders for your club. He's going to take your legacy way beyond anything. And congratulations to you for having a successful year with all the low points you have in your life, with all the different odds, with all the odds you have done. You have done an amazing job over there. And one thing I want to learn from you is how to keep a hold on your members. I really want to learn from that you, because if I'm seeing myself as a president next year, or maybe any time in future, so I really want to learn from you how to keep a hold on your members, how to party with members, because that is the one thing that I envy you a lot for that. And one thing that I would say ki, with all the things happened from start of the year, you still emerged as a one strong entity, one strong club in Rohtak District 3142. Coming to Omkar, so there's one thing common between Shravan and Omkar, that is हम लोग दोनों रेड में ही बहुत मिले हैं, ठीक है. एंड या श्रद्धा इज मेरे को श्रद्धा बता रही है कि बोथ आर फैट, बट that is that is most evident thing, so I'm not going to mention this over here. So so you both guys have met me in red, ठीक है. Shravan Khopal के year के red में, and Omkar in the year in Preeti's and Vishal year. So one thing that I have seen about Omkar is he's a fun person and he doesn't speak more, ठीक है. वो एकदम कम बात करेगा, but coming to his work, he is very dedicated, he is very on point. उसको जो चीज करनी है वो बराबर करके रहेगा, ठीक है. Talking about his walk on fashion show, तो I knew कि उसको कितना टाइम लगा उसको इतना वॉक करने में भी, बट he was, जब तक वो उसने एक परफेक्शन नहीं लाया उसमें, तब तक he didn't go up on the stage. And there has always been one thing, like from past year, from the past ZR, from the past president, that there's been a complaint कि एरोली में हम लोग का क्लब है तो हम लोग हमेशा लेफ्ट आउट फील करते हैं. एंड आई कैन से वी कैन टेक लॉकडाउन सिचुएशन का एक फायदा उठाते हैं, और ये जो धूरी वाला पार्ट है जो हम लोग हमेशा से कंप्लेन करते आ रहे कि एरोली दूर पड़ता है, हम लोग एरोली को वाशी दूर पड़ता है आने के लिए, तो ये पार्ट कट करते हैं, ये पार्ट को एकदम डिलीट करते हैं हम लोग ये साल के लिए. एंड let's have a wonderful year. And Omkar, if you need any help, any in small things also, please let us know. We are always there for you. I guess that's it from my end. I'll pass it on to Rotractor Tanmay.
Hello guys, I am Rotractor Tanmay. So great year, Shravan, no doubt about it. We all know what downfalls you had and what the start of the year was. There is no doubt that you created the best out of the situation, and I am really proud of that, of you and the core team and the newbies that came into the club. Omkar is following a legacy of bringing new members in the club, and we've from the start of the club सिर्फ नए बंदे हर साल आए हैं और हर साल बीओडी कोर पोजीशन लिया उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया, and I am very glad to see that this is happening this year as well. Even though it was lockdown and you could not have pitched to as many members as you would have liked, but you have gained a great audience, and I wish to see more and more creative things just like you are presenting right now. This is the fourth installation, and I have been speaking on all the four occasions, and this is the habit that I would like to continue, because no matter what, I have a bond with this club, and this is ahead of anyone else. The club stands for me on greater heights, and Shravan has. I took them because of my core team to some heights, and Shravan obviously did surpass me in all the senses. And Omkar is going to surpass Shravan no matter what, because he has an even more experienced team, and even and most importantly, he has an IPP. So yeah, now I would like team technicals to please put forth the token of love that we would like to share with Linktown Airoli. So yeah, the sixth privilege that we are just a second. The sixth privilege that we are giving away is district event registration from the ZRR's end. So we will be sponsoring one district event from our end, and this is the sixth privilege that we are unlocking. Stay tuned for other six installations, because we have more six privileges to go. And congratulations, guys! Great installation, and keep up the good work. Thank you so much. Cheers.
Let's introduce our guest of honor.
To know who she is, we will have to talk with our secret agent.
Hello. Rotarian Vinay Hebba ma'am has a master's degree in both history and English literature. She has been a part of the education system for the past 25 years. She has various awards as the best teacher from different institutes. Currently, she has her own coaching class as well as her own kindergarten school. She is a trained dancer in classical Bharatanatyam and loves to perform various different types of folk dances. She indulges in yoga as well. Her enthusiasm and passion for friendship and service led her in joining the Inner Wheel and was elected the club president for the year 2013-14. She joined Rotary in the year 2018. She was the club director for PR and in 2019 as the club secretary, and for the past 6 months has shouldered the responsibility as the club president. Vinay Aunty is blessed to have Rotarian Vadiraj Hebba as her life partner, who is ever so supportive, caring and kind-hearted. He was the president of the Rotary Club of Linktown Airoli for the year 2009-2010. The loving couple are blessed with 2 kids, a son and a daughter. Her daughter Nikita and her husband Shivang both are working for Delhi Light, while the son Viraj is a chemical engineer who is currently taking care of the family business.
Yeah. Rotaract district dignitaries, past presidents, IPP, newly elected presidents, Rotary past presidents, Rotarians, all my dear Rotaractors, hello, good evening one and all. Dear President Omkar, heartiest congratulations on your role as the President of Linktown Airoli. A beautiful new chapter in your life waiting to be written. Before I congratulate your board of directors, let me congratulate IPP Shravan Nair and his committee directors for their outstanding projects that were successfully completed, and also for the dedication and commitment rendered towards the club to make an amazing year. I can never forget the support from Rotaractors for few of our Rotary projects like blood donation camp, Green Ganesha, medical camp, Rotaract support for donating PPE kit for NMMC hospital during the COVID-19. Thank you IPP Shravan for offering your promise for celebration of Diwali, Kojagiri, and other events. Thank you so much. President Omkar and team, our best wishes to all the board of directors for the new Rotaract year. I'm sure you will provide the right direction to your team, execute the right projects, and do justice to the resource from the benevolent donors. The world needs Rotary, innovative, dynamic Rotaractors, and interactors more than ever before. We have got this noble opportunity to give back to the society and improve the lives and world around us. Let's make best of this. Rotary Club of Linktown Airoli will be most happy to work with you all jointly whenever the opportunities arises. This year, we have already included few Rotaractors in our committee. As all the restrictions are eased and everything get back to normal, we will have our meetings and projects together. Keep safe, keep well, so that together we can save lives. Once again, I wish you and your team a very healthy and fruitful new Rotary year. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Rotarian Vinaya Hebbo ma'am. We are blessed to get the opportunity to work under your guidance. I think our secret agent are trying to contact us again. Let's have a look at what they want to share with us.
A graduate from Somaya College, Mumbai, along with a degree of post-graduation in event management from National Institute of Event Management. He has proved his mettle constantly, professionally. He is working as a freelancer in event management for the past 4 to 5 years. This knowledge has been brilliantly executed in Bollywood's biggest award show, Filmfare, Mumbai, Mumbai Film Festival, along with movie launches and weddings. He is the owner of an event company, Aiba Events. Talking about his Rotaract journey, he joined Rotaract Club of Dombivli 11 years ago. He served as a club service director, vice president, and was soon elected as president in dream year 2014-15. With his experience, he went on to work the district club service director 2015-16, RID 3140. After getting into Charter Council as deputy chairman Avenues, RID 3142, he went on the chairman zones for Golden Jubilee year 2017-18. He then served the chairman events for year 2018-19 and 19-20, as well as deputy DRR for the year 2019-20. A man of his words and game changer in true sense, presenting you Rotarian Rotaractor Amit Ravindra Lad. He then served the chairman events for
अमित सर ने तो बोला मुझे अमित का किधर है अमित न्यूज है या मैं क्या लाइव
Yeah. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi, can you hear me? Give me a second. Hi guys. So hi guys, this Firstly, I would like to congratulate Shravan Nair for the successful completion of the year, and Omkar Joshi, all the very best, bro. You are gonna rock this year, as like you know. And firstly, I want to appreciate one thing. This is the one of the creative things I have ever seen in my life. I am in Rotrack fraternity and Rotrack institution from last 11 years, but I think this is the one of the creative things I have ever seen. Congratulations, guys! This is the one of the best I can say, and amazing. Everything is going amazing. मैं कभी से देख रहा है ना मेरी amazed at the very everything situation जो भी हो रहा है उसके साथ. So kudos to you and all the technical teams. Great guys, great. I want to tell you one story कि I feel like अभी के हिसाब से बहुत सही होगा. हम लोग ने सुना रहेगा अभी तक कि ये एकदम सिंपल स्टोरी है, सबने अभी तक सुना रहेगा, बट मैं तुम लोगों को वापस बताना चाहूँगा. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. हाँ, एक स्मॉल स्टोरी है, तुम लोग ने सुना रहेगा, बट मैं आई थिंक ये बहुत अच्छा टाइम है ये स्टोरी बताने का. देयर इज अ वन विलेज, उसमें ना एक महावत था. महावत के पास ना बहुत सारे हाथी थे. उसमें एक सबसे बड़ा हाथी था. उसके बाद बहुत सारे हाथी थे, बट उसमें एक ना सबसे बड़ा हाथी था. तो एक बार विलेज में का एक ना फार्मर है ना, वो उसके महावत के हाथी का जो भी ये रहता था, ग्रुप रहता था, उसके यहाँ से जा रहा था. उसने एक देखा, उसका सबसे बड़ा जो हाथी है ना, उसको सिंपल सा एक सिंपल से इसमें बांधा गया था. सिंपल, उसको कोई बड़ा सा साखली नहीं था या ये नहीं था. एक सिंपल से कपड़े के उससे उसका पैर बांधा गया था, और वो हाथी ऐसा बिहेव कर रहा था, वो अटक गया, वो उसमें से बाहर नहीं पड़ रहा था. बट उसका जो वो फार्मर था, उसको बहुत कंफ्यूजन हुआ कि एग्जैक्टली ये हाथी इतना बड़ा है, उसका पावर इतना बड़ा है, बट वो एक सिंपल से छोटे से कपड़े के इससे कैसे क्या बांध के चल रहा है, और ये तोड़ के अभी तक चला कैसे नहीं गया. तभी वो महावत के पास गया. उसने उसको पूछा कि अरे यार, ये हाथी इतना बड़ा है, इतना पावरफुल है, बट तो भी वो इतना से छोटे से चीज से तू बांध के रखा है उसको, सो ये कैसे हुआ. तो तब भी महावत ने जाके उसको बताया कि ये जब भी हाथी छोटा था ना, तभी हम लोग उसको साखली से बांध के रखते थे बचपन में, और वो बहुत बहुत ट्राई करता था कि वो तोड़ के चले जाने का, बट वो बच्चा था, उसके पास इतना पावर नहीं था, तो उसको पॉसिबल नहीं होता था. वही उसको आदत पड़ गई है, और उसके वजह से अभी वो हम लोग वो वाला आयरन वाला साखली यूज नहीं करते हैं, बट तो भी उसको वो पता है, मेंटालिटी उसका ऐसा बन गया है कि उससे वो बाहर नहीं पड़ सकता, इसलिए वो ट्राई करना ही बंद कर दिया उसने. What is the motto behind this story? I feel ये सिचुएशन हम लोग का जो चल रहा था, अभी जो सिचुएशन चल रहा है, हॉरिबल सिचुएशन चल रहा है, I feel this is the वो सेम हाथी विद द स्टोरी. हम लोग इतने सालों से रोट्रैक में सेम चीज कर रहे थे, सेम इंस्टॉलेशन होता था, सेम थीम होती थी, सेम साथ में लोग आके एंजॉय करते थे, बट दिस इज द परफेक्ट सिचुएशन जिसने हम लोग को ये पूरा रिवैम्प करना सिखाया, वापिस ये सोचना, नया कुछ क्रिएटिव करना सिखाया. I don't think so कि if हम लोग वही नेचुरली करते थे तो ऐसा वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इंच के हम लोग नहीं अटेंड कर पाते, या ऐसा वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इंच के हम लोग सोचते भी नहीं. सो वी आर द एज अ रोट्रैक क्लब हम लोग वो चीज से बाहर आ चुके हैं, और हम लोग वो हाथी जैसे एक चीज में अटक के नहीं रहे. हम लोग क्रिएटिवली सोच रहे हैं, हम लोग कुछ नया सोच रहे हैं, एंड दैट इज द परफेक्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ अ गेम चेंजर थिंग. This is what I am talking about from the last 6 months of the year. This is the perfect example of the game changing thing, game changing HT and game changing club. So I want to appreciate all the club member, all the technical person, and the Omkar and the IPP. You are doing great job. Keep it up. District 3142 हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ रहेगा, हमेशा तुम लोग को help करेगा, and all the very best. And just remember, you are the game changers. Thank you so much.
Thank you, DRR Rotarian Rotractor Amit Lal.
We truly appreciate mentors like you who are willing to give their time and share their knowledge and wisdom to help enrich the life of us young people. Thank you once again for your valuable time and contributions.
Good evening all. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on the 4th installation ceremony of Rotaract Club of Linktown Airoli. First and foremost, I feel honored in thanking our leaders of Team Game Changers, DRR Rotarian Rotaractor Amit Lad, who has always given us direction for taking the club to greater heights. I also express my heartfelt thanks to our parent Rotary President, Rotarian Vinaya Hebbar ma'am, for her kindness and continued support. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all my buddy club Rotaractors who have contributed to make this digital installation function a grand success. I have to specially mention the hard work done by the team technicals. Thank you guys, this would have not been possible without your support. Moving on, I would like to thank all district council members, buddy Rotaractors, other club press sec to attend our 4th installation and making it a grand success. Thank you all. Now it is time for the announcement.
We have our favorite companion who will escort us to secretary.
प्यार और हिम्मत, शांति और इंसाफ, सच्चाई और अच्छा बर्ताव,
हर दिन एक अच्छा काम करना,
चारों तरफ खुशियाँ बांटना। हम हैं कासुगावे की डिफेंस टीम।
Hello everyone, myself Rotaractor Shraddha Singh. I'm the secretary for the year 2021 of Rotaract Club of Linktown Airoli. I would like to present my first secretariat announcement. Attendance for the 4th installation ceremony is as follows. Number of Rotarians 5, number of DCMs 21, number of other club Rotaractors 119, number of guests 18, making it a grand total of 234. Thank you.
Guys, there's gonna be a BTS after this, so please wait along for that.
Thank you, Shraddha.
I request Rotaractor Omkar Joshi, President 2021, to adjourn the 4th installation ceremony of Rotaract Club of Linktown Airoli and bring this magnificent night to an end.
I hereby adjourn the 4th installation ceremony of Rotaract Club of Linktown Airoli.
बहकी सभी जुबां हैं, हम हैं हजारों में, अब की कमी जरा है, हर चीज खास है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सकी तो रबा है, अब है जो है वो समा
हमारे पास एक टाइम है बट लाइक
देखो ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी है।
तेरे को भी उधर जाके प्रैक्टिस करा होगा। हाँ?
बट मैं सहनी हमें सजा है, हम हैं बाजारों के, सबकी नजर यहाँ है, हर चीज राज है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सकी तो रबा है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी है। ऐसी जिंदगी हम छिप छिपाए, हम ना आए, हम ना आए, ऐसी जीत छिप छिपाए, ऐसी जीत हम न पाए, ऐसी जिंदगी हम छिप छिपाए, हम ना आए 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 हम ना आए, ऐसी जी छिप छिपाए, ऐसी जी हम न पाए। ऐसी जी ना छिप छिपाए, ना छिप छिपाए, ना छिप छिपाए, ऐसी जी